guys, Digital Zach here, and today we got kind of a special video for you. We're going to be unboxing the new 11-inch 2018 iPad Pro with the iPad Pro Smart Folio keyboard case. I'm very excited personally. I've been wanting this iPad for a long time, haven't been able to justify it, but I figured, hey, since I'm doing a YouTube channel, you guys might want to see it. It'll provide use to me, especially with graphic design and different things. So I just went ahead and pulled the trigger, so here we go. Let's move that out of the way and let's get into the iPad. So this is Apple's 11-inch iPad Pro. I was thinking about getting the 12-inch, but honestly, for what I do, the 11-inch is perfect. So without further ado, let's get into it. See if we can get it open. And the reason I didn't have the plastic wrap on it was because the wrap got damaged a little bit in transit, so didn't have to do that. And here is what we're looking for. So as you can see, it's just the iPad. Comes with Apple's little pull tab right here. So you pull that, and that is the iPad. We're gonna set that aside for just a second though. All right, now what else do you get in the box? Looks like it comes with your typical Apple papers. Says iPad Pro. As you can see, it's Face ID now, so set that aside. Comes with some more papers, a SIM ejector tool, and comes with some Apple stickers. Again, both of them are white, and that seems to be all the paperwork. So next, let's see. Comes with Apple's new fast charger adapter, USB-C. And it comes with a USB-C to USB-C charge cord. Now, let's get to the actual iPad itself. Okay, so now this is Apple's iPad. Let me get it close so you can hear the paper coming off. Now that's satisfying. So this is the 11-inch iPad Pro. As you can see, it comes with antenna bands, the smart connector on the bottom, and another band on bottom. And let's turn on that display. First impressions, I'm already in love. The design on this iPad is absolutely stunning, and look how thin it is. It is super thin. Look at that. There's the charging part for the Apple Pencil. The buttons are almost flush. It's square. Like, I am in love. Okay, and now we're gonna get to opening the iPad Pro 11-inch Smart Keyboard Folio case. As you can see, just comes in the box like this, and there's two different viewing angles. It comes with a little pull tab right here. We're going to pull. Pretty Apple-ish. Don't even need the knife anymore. Pull that off like that. And then now we're left with the box. If I can get it to come off. There we go. And inside that leaves you, once again, with the little pull tab right here to pull the case itself out of the box. And that seems to be all that Apple has included in here. I'm going to pull the paper. First impressions, I like the feel compared to the old case. Let me show you the old case. So this is my old 10.5-inch iPad Pro. I'm gonna pull it off. And the old case has somewhat of the same feel. This one appears to be different color, a little bit more grippy than the old one. We'll open the old one, or the new one, real quick and get a look at it. So inside it comes with, I guess, a piece of paper as a placeholder. Has your Apple stuff inside. Comes with paperwork. Doesn't seem to be any stickers. Just kind of shows you how to work the Folio keyboard case, so we'll set that aside. And that appears to be all that it came with. So, and here is the new case. It's got a spot for the smart connector. It's got a spot that the iPad can rest. The keys themselves, I like the new feeling of them. The old one folded out 3 times and it had a kind of like a textured feel. I still liked the old Folio keyboard case, but the new one, I like it a lot. So we're gonna put that on the actual iPad. It's supposed to magnetically attach into place just like that. And there we go. We got the new Apple Folio keyboard case. The only thing is, keyboards are on the back, but it still does leave a spot to charge your Apple Pencil. And there you go. That is Apple's Smart Folio keyboard case. I think you can have 2 different viewing angles, just like that. I'm going to take you over here so you can see it. There we go. And that is the Apple Smart Folio keyboard case. Look how thin that iPad is. It's insane. Anyway, one problem when it comes to the new Folio keyboard case is that when you have it flipped into tablet mode, like I do now, the keyboard is on back. So when you are holding it into tablet, you can feel the keys on the back. I mean, it's not a big deal, it doesn't type anything, just kind of bothers me, that's about it. So I normally, since it's magnetic, just end up pulling the iPad's keyboard case off and just using it as a tablet when I do that. But other than that, that's about it. I do like that the bottom of it, and I'm guessing this is why, but the bottom of the keyboard is flat instead of a trifold. So when you are typing on it, like say in your lap on the couch for instance, it is a lot more sturdy due to that. So anyway, I'll have a full review up on it here soon. Just thought I'd let you guys know my first few thoughts. So until next time, I'm Zach. Please like and subscribe if you like this video, and we'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.